Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 54 of Building the Tumbler from Batman. See, we're going back in time to the first issue. I think the first issue. The stuff from the first issue gets done. A new standard. Obviously, they've improved things and changed things and a different car. And back in the comics, that's quite what that one is. It's just a Kenner Batmobile Superpowers collection. Yeah, not sure about that. There we go. Tim Burton's Batman. Yeah. One of the better Batmans, that one. I quite enjoyed that. There we go. Stuff about Tim Burton if you want to read it. And a page from the history books. There we go. Right, so we've got some frame. It's just a frame. Not sure. Not sure what the frame is for. But apart from that, we get to bring out the cockpit canopy and attach a couple of bits to that. And then we have the frame ready. I don't know, is that attached to it? Or we'll find out at some point. That looks the same shape as that, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be doing more with it very, very soon. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this frame built and other bits attached. Right, so we've got our thing from way back when. The frame simply pushes into place. There's no screws involved in this. We've got two little connector pieces. Push into holes there. I believe that. Let's check, see which hole. No, right there and right there. Yep. Not that one. There's another hole there. That one goes right there, and then that one joins in the other side, exactly the same. That would do. So that goes to the side, and then these attach underneath this back window. They'll only go one way round because the holes are not equal. Again, just pushes into place. No screws required on that. And this one on this side, it's got a left and a right on it, but they're the same as far as I can tell. So really matter. I wouldn't have thought which way up they go. So I can't line that one up now. There it is. Again, that is that. That's home. Added a little bit more detail to there, just next to the guns. So there we have that, and that another issue done. Nice, quick, easy one. Next time we'll be doing some more. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now. Yeah.